I will give my own understanding of what it means to be of the nature of space. Space literally is said Tore Kaktsam Gimega in Tibetan, which means the lack of obstruction. To be precise, the lack of obstructive contact. So what it means there to be space, it means there is no obstruction for something to exist somewhere. This means there is space. So when we talk about to be in the nature of space, it means to be in the nature of many possibilities there. It's open to all sorts of possibilities. There is no obstruction into that. So when we talk about ultimate space, it is actually the fact that we are interdependent. The fact that we lack an inherent existence, because if we existed by our own characteristics in an autonomous, objective way, we couldn't be different, because we would always remain in that way. But because we are interdependent and we interact, depending on the way how we interact, depending on the value that we attribute, things change. Why? Because they are empty of an autonomous, independent reality. Why? Because they are interdependent. That's ultimate state. That's ultimate space. So in the moment that we say that our nature is the nature of space, it means actually that we lack inherent existence. We are interdependent. In other words, it means we have many possibilities. We are not stuck in the way how we are. Which in other words means if we interact in a certain way, we will get certain results. If we interact in another way, we will get another results. So this depends on the actions that we do. It depends on the people and situations and places that we interact. And it also depends on the identity that we have of our own selves, the value that we attribute to our own selves. So all of this is possible because we are of the nature of space, which means we lack obstruction. What is the obstruction in this case? Is being of an autonomous, independent, inherent existence.